How to fix WhatsApp business app crashing. Hi everybody, in this video I'm going to show you the procedure to fix WhatsApp business app crashing. First thing first, you might want to go to settings on your device. There, locate app from the list and make sure your WhatsApp business app selected out and go to storage and cache. Click on to clear cache, and then you could also go ahead and force stop the app for a while. And while you're in the same section, you just want to go ahead and scroll down and select system. You might want to make sure to go ahead and check software update and all that right over here. So make sure to check whether your device is up to date or not. After which, exit out, just go to your app store and check whether your WhatsApp business is updated to the latest version or not. If you have an outdated version, it might be one of the reasons, so you might want to make sure to go ahead and update it as well. After which, if you're having or if you're using any sort of VPN extension, you might want to disable that too. That should be able to fix. If nothing works out, hold on to your side button and restart your device. That can also temporarily help you out. So with that, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.